The Creative and Collaborative Enterprise MA is a practice-based degree for those who want to start innovative businesses where the way you do things is as important as what you do. The course is designed to help you discover ways in which you can earn a living doing something that you're passionate about, or to find a way to sustain economically activities that you think are important, or to discover non-hierarchical ways of organising people to get things done. It combines ensemble theatre making with social theory and lean startup. My name's Gregory Thompson. I'm a theatre director and the programme lead. I've made performances all around the world with innovative actor-audience relationships and sustained an ethos-driven creative business for over 30 years. This MA is rooted in ensemble theatre making. We use the creative and collaborative methods and techniques of performing arts practitioners and apply them to starting up new businesses. We look at how humans organise themselves to get things done together, and how enterprises can grow from small beginnings. The idea is to become a business where you're the only one that delivers your product or service because you're doing it in a unique way, either to do with a particular feature or benefit or method or location, or because of some intellectual property. This video gives you an overview, looks at the 3 key actions you'll be asked to perform, shows the structure of the course, articulates 5 course objectives and some key concepts. This is a practice-based degree, which means that you'll learn by doing, and in all probability you'll make some mistakes. Many of the assignments are practical and designed for you to take steps towards understanding and delivering the value that's at the heart of your enterprise. You'll learn by engaging with potential customers, partners, suppliers and others, the form your product or service might take and the different ways in which you might talk about it. And when you make mistakes, and we all make mistakes, the first thing is to notice, then learn, then you can amend and offer again. The aim is to implement a series of cycles of build, release and learn where you make something, engage with others and reflect on what's been discovered. This iterative process is key to both the rehearsal of performances and the creation of new ventures. On the course, you'll make ideas manifest, developing your idea into a product or service, into something that someone is prepared to pay for. You'll work in the particular circumstances you find yourself and with the resources that are available, starting small with what's doable. You'll be encouraged to grow and play with freedom, and then subject what happens to rigorous self-examination to nurture the valuable and discard what's not useful. You'll be encouraged to tap into and join existing networks and find collaborators by engaging in conversations, both online and offline, that shape and feed into the development of your enterprise. It's important to recognise that this degree is situated in the anthropology department. Anthropology is the study of humans and human societies. This includes patterns of behaviour, cultural values, the biological development of humans, and how language influences interaction and the making of meaning. This is important because all of your customers are humans, all of your collaborators are humans, and you'll need to understand and engage with them. So, what are you going to do on this programme? There are 3 key actions for building a creative and collaborative enterprise. Create a customer, then create customers. Create a community of collaborators. Create an organisation of collaborators. The assignments are designed to support your efforts to achieve these actions. The structure of the MA Creative and Collaborative Enterprise is 8 modules and a dissertation. On this course, all 8 modules are core. Everyone takes all of them. This gives us a flexibility in teaching arrangements that's useful for creative practice. The Introduction to Social Theory module gives you the history and current relevance of social thought and some research methodologies associated with different schools. Applied Ethnography gives you the tools and skills to examine enterprises and organisations by understanding the people in and around them and the social and cultural realm they operate in. On creating customers, you'll develop essential entrepreneurship skills and design a startup business model using the evidence-based principles of lean startup. This will help you to start a customer-funded business by validating what customers are willing to pay for before you invest in launching. On Creative Enterprise, you'll engage with theories of creativity and some innovative practices, including improvisation and devising from theatre making, and then apply those to the development of your product or service to deliver a novel, surprising and useful offer for your customers. The Collaborative Enterprise module introduces some of the non-hierarchical ways of organising that are revolutionising organisations all around the world, with a particular focus on the formation of intelligent and effective self-organising groups. On the Creative Product Development module, you'll iterate through a series of 5 build, release, learn experiments to understand in practice what you can offer to customers and how you deliver value to them. In Social Creativity and Marketing, you'll engage in a series of conversations with potential customers, supporters, competitors, suppliers and the like in order to challenge, enhance and extend your idea of what your enterprise is. The aim is to build a community of interest and sympathy that you can grow into customers and that will sustain your enterprise. Everyday Ethics and Enterprise looks at an important driver of enterprise, trust, both in the way that customer spending correlates with enterprises that are trusted and in the way that enterprises take on responsibilities and leadership roles. So, 8 core modules and a dissertation. The dissertation constitutes a third of the whole degree. It's a research project that makes your enterprise more likely to succeed. It could be research into a particular aspect of your industry, or some case studies of innovative enterprises, or a project to develop your own enterprise. The Creative and Collaborative Enterprise MA has 5 course objectives, 5 things that we aim to do to help and guide you to acquire knowledge and understanding of creative enterprise and develop skills in conceptual and critical thinking, to help you to develop a creative enterprise mindset of making ideas manifest, learning by doing, generating innovative solutions and rigorous self-examination, to support you to develop your confidence and motivation to execute enterprise ideas, to support you to build a creative and collaborative startup enterprise, to help you to find collaborators and create a support network in your chosen industry. So, how do creative exercises and anthropological thinking help you articulate and execute enterprise ideas? The human world is social, plastic, porous and reflexive. People are everything in enterprise. Understanding how to deliver value to others, how to work with others, and how to fit in with other organisations and social groups will be a significant factor in the success of your venture. Creative processes are plastic. They mutate and adapt to your needs and desires whilst retaining their essential form. Porosity is about the way that ideas and practices cross boundaries and disciplines to make effects and unexpected transformations. Being open to all the different influences around can give you a creative edge. Reflexivity is the ability to see yourself in the process and to examine your own part in what's happened and to draw powerful conclusions. Our brains respond to stories. How are you going to tell your story to engage your customers and collaborators and grow your enterprise? It's becoming more and more important to understand and articulate the choices and compromises that are made in our economic lives. Ethics place us in relation to each other. That's a short introduction to the MA Creative and Collaborative Enterprise. Thank you for listening.